Today, the big question facing the country is the high-handedness of Bharatiya Janata Party. As you rightly said, if you look at the count of opposition leaders that they are targeting, since the time Mr. Modi has come to power, 95% of all ED CBI raids have been against opposition leaders. The reason Sanjay Singh has been raided is because he was exposing the biggest scam which has happened in the history of Free India, which is the Modi-Adani scam. That is the reason he is being targeted. The ED was raiding his house the whole day. They did not find a single penny. And yesterday, even in the Supreme Court has made scathing remarks against the ED, saying that where is the money trail? If there is no money trail, how are you saying PMLA Act applies? It doesn't apply because there is no money trail. They said your case will fall flat in 2 minutes. All of this just shows that the Bharatiya Janata Party is rattled. They know that 2024 is extremely difficult for them. They know that the country is asking difficult questions on corruption, on inflation, on unemployment, and they don't have any answers. हम जो कट्टर ईमानदार थे, हम आज भी कट्टर ईमानदार हैं, और यही कारण है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी को हमसे इतना डर लगता है। नहीं तो एक सुपारी जैसी पार्टी के क्यों इतना पीछे पड़े हुए हैं ये। और जो आरपी सिंह साहब अभी बार बार जो नाम ले रहे हैं शेयर होल्डिंग का, आरपी सिंह साहब मैं खुद वकील हूँ, अब सुनिएगा जरा मेरी बात ध्यान से। एक अक्यूज था इस केस में, उस अक्यूज को आपने डराया धमकाया। कुछ अक्यूज ने कोर्ट में एफिडेविट दिया है कि हमें इतना मारा, हमारे कान से खून निकला। उसके बाद आपने जो चाहा उस अक्यूज से एक कागज पे लिखवाया, अक्यूज को आपने सरकारी गवाह बना दिया। अब वो अक्यूज कह रहा है कि मैंने अपनी कंपनी में किसी फलाने को शेयर होल्डिंग दिया, उस एमओयू पे फलाने ने साइन भी नहीं किया। इट्स अ वन साइडेड एमओयू that is being presented in court saying that such and such person is a shareholder. This is all Manohar Kahani, nothing else.